Every once in a while, you'll be knitting along and realize that you skipped a stitch without working it on the previous row. There's a simple way to fix this without digging around for a crochet hook or a fix-it tool. With the skipped stitch in your left-hand needle, use that left-hand needle to pick up the ladder that you missed from bottom to top onto that left-hand needle. Then, using your right needle, go into that skipped stitch and just pull it over and off the left-hand needle. You fixed the stitch from the previous row. Now you can keep on knitting. Make sure you knit that skipped stitch again. Let me show you that one more time. Here's our skip stitch. There's a ladder behind. You're going to take the left-hand needle under the bar, go into that second stitch, just kind of like you're binding off, and pull it up and over. And then you're ready to knit again.